Good morning, students. Today we will do the last topic of the chapter. It's the cell division. And before starting that, we will do the revision. Then first question, which cell organelles are called digestive bags of the cell? Then these are lysosomes. Where chlorophyll is found? Then chlorophyll is found in the thylakoid of chloroplast. Then next question, name semi-autonomous cell organelles. And semi-autonomous cell organelles are mitochondria and plastids. The next is name the factory of ribosome. It is nucleolus. Now packaging and dispatching unit. It should be dispatching. Packaging and dispatching unit is Golgi apparatus. Next is what is osmosis? Then movement of the water molecule from its higher concentration to low concentration through the semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. Let's start today's topic. It is cell division. Now, cell divides itself by two ways. First is called mitosis, and the second is called meiosis. Now, in the first division, mitosis, it takes place in the somatic cells. Somatic cells means normal body cells, except reproductive cells or sex cells. Now, next is meiosis. Meiosis takes place in the reproductive cells or sex cells. That is testes and ovary. During the formation of testes in male, formation of sperm, and ovary in female, while the formation of ova. It means during the formation of male or and female gametes, sperm male gamete and female gamete is called ovum. During the formation of these gametes, meiosis takes place. Okay, then see next. I will explain these two with the help of this diagram. Now see the first mitosis. In the mitosis, the mother cell divides itself into the two daughter cells. And during the meiosis, the mother cell finally divides into the four daughter cells. It means two daughter cells are formed, here four are formed. The next in this division, in the starting, both the parent cell are 2n structure. It means these are diploid structure. Now, the in the first one, the daughter cell is also diploid. It means number of chromosomes are the same. But in meiosis, the number of the chromosomes become half in the daughter cells. It means the mother cell or the parent cell is a diploid structure, whereas the daughter cells which are formed, they are the n. They are only the having the n number of chromosome. It means they are the haploid. Is it okay? These are diploid and these are haploid. Okay. Now see, this is in the tabular form. Now see the difference. The first one, it takes place in the somatic cells only, and it takes place in reproductive cells. Second one, cell divides only once during the one mitotic cell division, and here the twice cell divides. Now see this once again. Now see the in the mitosis, the division takes place only once. Division takes place only once, and here first division, and this is a second division. It means two mitotic divisions are takes place in this. Now next is daughter cell is identical to the mother cell. It is genetically similar, whereas in this daughter cells are different from the mother cells. They are not genetically similar. This division is useful for the growth and repair of the body, whereas this is for the gamete formation. It is for the gamete formation, that is the sperms and eggs. Okay, then make the notes of this topic also, and now the chapter is finished. Thank you.